Hello, we're back in Barcelona here, Spain, and we are at another pavilion where they have very cool test equipment. And let me take a look at that right now. That's our camera, and there's a little bit more juice. But we can see here it's like a pilot signal transmitter and PSC scanner for IoT solutions. You can see you can review the amount of dBm, the PCI, the cell name, and the reported received signal strength and signal quality, as well as the signal to noise ratio, which is the level of the signal on top of the noise, which is always there. There's some videos here demonstrating that. They call this the propagation model tuning solution. Well, most of the 4G and 3G networks use the same technology, but as you can see here, they have an RF in, RF out, and a spectrum analyzer. It's a software spectrum analyzer, as you can see, and it's a signal analyzer. We're right behind some people here. So we have compact S parameter test solution. So the S parameter is a way to measure the antenna, you measure the receiver. And here we have a top benchtop system for testing. The network analyzer for 500 kilohertz to 6.5 gigahertz. Remember that 5G is in the 3.5 gigahertz band, so it fits right in there. And then we have here a bird antenna health analyzer to analyze the statistical data of an antenna or an RF power sensor. This is the handheld spectrum analyzer over here, and the RF Pro station. Company is Transcom Instruments. Where are you based?
We are based in Shanghai, China.
Oh, you're a Chinese company. Hi, say hi to TECHED TV. Hi. So your name is Rui?
Yes, my name is Rui, FAE of Transcom Instruments.
Oh, okay. So tell us a little bit more of your 5G solution for testing.
So for now, we are focusing not only on the propagation model turning of the 5G, but now developing the VSG and the VSA for 5G. So it's a protocol testing.
So I see over here that you have this portable device. Looks like a handheld. Tell us more about this. Is it a spectrum analyzer that you can carry to the field?
Yes. So it's a very light spectrum analyzer. It's only 0.9 kilogram.
Yeah, kilogram.
The frequency range is up to 60 kilohertz.
And 60 kilohertz?
Yeah. And it's based on Android, so it's similar like operating the smartphone.
And you have this antenna. What's the gain of this antenna?
This is a directional antenna. So with the Cosmap software inside the spectrum analyzer, we can do the interference counting. So here is some picture for that.
So you can do drive test monitoring.
Yeah. So for example, if there's a signal source in the city, we can use this one to find the location of the signal source.
Ah, okay. So then you will have like the area where the RSSI is low,
it's
right?
on the map.
Yeah. And here, what is that you have?
This is the USB vector analyzer. It can test the S parameter for the DUT. And this one is probe station.
DUT is the license test for those who don't know what it is.
So basically, it's a probe station with a very good accuracy. So we can mount the PCB or the chip or outside this trunk and use the needles to press on the DUT and to test on a very small region.
So basically, even if it's a conduit test, there's always RF coming out. There's always radio frequency. Like
this way is used to replace your hand because your hand is not as accurate as the probe station.
Yeah, so this is better because it's more precise.
Yeah.
Right. And what's the amount of decibels that you can measure here? How many dBm can you measure here?
This dimension is 120.
120 dBm.
Yes.
And do you have any like tools for 5G propagation, like aspirant faders?
Yes, we do have. You can check here.
You do it on the fader over there? Let's go over the direction over here.
This
Well, we
tool
have
is
a fader.
For the propagation model turning. This one can send the CW signal in 5G frequency range. This one is up to 6 gigahertz. So you can do the under 6 gigahertz.
But it's only like the pilot signal. You don't send the actual LTE or the 5G protocol through that.
It's for the pilot signal for the 2G, 3G, and 4G. And for the 5G currently is CW. And later we will launch the pilot signal for 5G.
Oh, okay.
And this one is a spectrometer. It's a drive test scanner.
Drive test scanner, right? I see over there you have the scan. So you can. So how many radios can you see simultaneously?
How many channels you mean? That depends on the technology. So for the LTE, basically we do many simultaneously monitoring from 5 to 10 different channels. And for the CW speed, the total speed I think is around 1,000 to 2,000 samples per second.
Okay. So you can do like a lot of sample per second and do like a good drive test. And it's gonna work for 5G obviously because you support 6 gigahertz. So it should work for anything, 2G, 4G, 3G pilot signal. So you have the pilot signal generator and the testing attenuator. And how about like you have any solution for actual testing like mobility or not yet?
We do not have the protocol testing for 5G yet.
But you're working on it?
Yeah, we are developing. You can check this video. So we do have the 5G signal level and the 5G signal generator in your lab. Currently we cannot release this kind of product in the exhibition, but we do have them in the lab.
Oh, you have it in the lab?
Yes.
And when do you plan to release it to the
We
public?
are developing that. Maybe the second half of this year.
Oh, okay. What is it going to be called? You have a name for it? You have a name for it? Brand name?
Currently we only call it 5G signal level, signal generator.
Signal generator.
Yeah.
And you will be able to support, let's say, like handover between multiple base stations and multiple MIMO arrangements?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this corporate project between our company and the lab in the Northeast University in China. So it's a corporate project between Transcom and the university.
Which one?
It's a Southeast University.
Okay, that's very good. So thank you very much, and come this way to have more light, and say goodbye to your friends in TECHED TV.
Thank you, ITV.
Okay. All right, guys, we run into this very cool, innovative company from China, and Transcom Instruments, and they have very promising products.